Hi, this is Gretchen from More to Explore, and this week I'd like to tell you about an exciting new program that we have starting called Citizen Science Kits. When you find the kit you'd like to check out, bring the corresponding tag to the checkout desk. You'll need to have an adult with you because an adult needs to sign the waiver form and check out the kit on their library card. Their library card needs to be active and also not have any fines over $10. If your grown-up doesn't already have a library card, they can get one for free as long as they are a current resident of Maricopa County and have a valid ID and proof of address. Your adult will sign the waiver and check out the item on their library card. You get the item for 2 weeks, and the kit can be used by everyone in your family to be scientists at home. Let's find out a little bit more about the kits that we will have available. Measuring light in the night helps gather light pollution data. Globe at Night is a citizen science project to measure and monitor light pollution. Learn how to use a sky quality meter to measure light pollution and share your data on the Globe at Night website. Hundreds of thousands of people from 115 countries have already added data to help scientists study the impacts of light pollution on energy consumption, ecology, and human health. Exploring biodiversity. Document and identify plants and animals around you. Record and share images of biodiversity and learn about the natural world. Use the clip-on lenses provided in your kit with projects and apps, including iNaturalist, and join a community of naturalists who share observations of nature, collaboratively identify species, and share data with scientists. Monitoring air quality. Curious about the air quality around you? Learn how to use an air beam sensor to capture real-time measurements. Air pollution is a worldwide problem that poses many risks to human health. Data collected from this citizen science project is uploaded to an online map that anyone can access. Observing pollinators. Identify and count pollinators as they visit flowering plants. You can gather observations of pollinators visiting any flowering plant. Make as many observations as you want while flowers are blooming. It's that easy. Your participation can help scientists understand pollinator health and keep our wildlife communities vibrant. Stream mapping. Use wet-dry mapping to help chart streams near you. Stream mapping, or wet-dry mapping, builds a map of Arizona streams to help tell us about when they are flowing and when they are dry. Learn how to collect location and temperature data of streams in Arizona and report your findings. This water quality kit helps you collect important data from streams to help scientists at Arizona Department of Environmental Quality better discover and analyze water quality issues at the source. Zombie hunting. Is the zombie fly attacking bees in your neighborhood? Honeybees are being infected by the zombie fly, which lays eggs in bees, causing them to behave like moths. The infected bees leave their hives at night in search of lights, where they get stranded and die. The Zombie Watch project needs your help to hang a light trap to attract bees, then safely record and report where the zombie fly is infecting and killing bees. Included in this month's More to Explore kit are 2 of the activities from our citizen science kits, zombies and observing pollinators. The kits themselves have other items in there to help you with these projects, but we have given you the activities for you to do on your own. Have fun and learn more about science. Last week's brain teaser is microwave because the word wave is really small. It's micro. Here is this week's position puzzle brain teaser. Be sure to watch next week for the answer. Kaia is brave except when it comes to bees. Even though she knows the amazing things bees do to help pollinate crops, She does not want to help her dad with their beehives. Will she get over her fear to help take care of the bees? Find out in Kaia and the Bees by Maribeth Boelts. In Small Spaces by Katherine Arden, Ollie finds a mysterious book that tells about the death of two local brothers and a strange deal which was made with a scary smiling man. She assumes it's just a scary story until her class takes a field trip to a local farm with a link to this book. When their bus breaks down in a foggy field surrounded by creepy scarecrows, Ollie and two of her classmates must follow the advice of the odd bus driver and run to find a small place to hide in. Will the three kids make it out of this terrifying nightmare? Read Small Spaces to find out.